Hi guys, so today we're going to make my DIY succulent plant holder in this cute ceramic plant vase. This vase was given to me by a friend a while back and it had real succulent in it and I killed it. Oops. And it still had the moss thing in it, the dirt. And so here I was just playing around to see what look I liked better between the two that I was putting in there. The other one was just, I wasn't feeling it. And so with this look, I was going for the two green succulent that matched because I had two of them and it looked really pretty. And so I decided to go with the two instead of the lime succulent on the floor. And this is what it looks like close up. I think that's really cute. And so I decided, yes, let's do this. So in this, you're gonna need glue gun. So make sure you put your glue inside of the moss, the vase with the moss. Just put it all around to make sure it's good and full. And then you're gonna take your succulent and just stick it in there and hold it down for a few seconds and let it sit. Just press everything down as you're doing this to make sure that it stays, and then you're going to do the other side. You're going to add as much glue as you want. And then you're going to take your succulent, your second one, and press it on there. And make sure it's looking good in the back and it's straight. Just check to make sure it's how you want it to be, and voila. And that's easy, and that's what it looks like close up. It was a really fast and easy look. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you guys on my next DIY video. Thank you so much, and if you haven't, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like, share,